All right, so to get started, we'll need 1 cup of all-purpose flour, add that cup of sugar and 1 teaspoon of salt, and then mix the dry ingredients. And then the next step, you'll need 4 large eggs, crack them up, and then we'll go ahead and mix it lightly. And then the next thing that you'll need is honey. And here I used 2 tablespoons of honey. And then water. Now, this is not cold water, and either is it very warm water. So it's in the middle. I guess you can say lukewarm. So mix that up. There's no amount of water. You just go add a little bit as you mix it up until you get a light consistency of the paste. And then we'll heat up on medium. You'll heat your pan on medium heat and let it get hot for about 2 or 3 minutes, and then add 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil. Right, and then next thing that you'll do, add your spread the oil and then add your paste, and then we'll spread the paste into a circular shape the best that we can. All right, and then we'll let it cook, and then the top side, you'll tell it's cooked when it's dry and not wet, and then you just keep spinning your pancake until so that you can get evenly brown on the other side. So just don't let it sit, in one spot. So just, go ahead and play with it, and then turn it, and the other side gets done really fast since it's cooked for about less than a minute, and we are done. On to the next pancake, excuse me. Same thing, pour the paste, spread it into a circular shape. All right, and then same thing, cooked. Same thing, guys. This is so easy, and it's not even complicated at all. Look at that. Yummy. Okay. Ooh, we're done with that too. Oh, yummy, yummy, yummy. Oh, look at that, guys. Looking so delicious. Yes. All right, and the main key over here is make sure you spin the pancake with the pan. So make sure you do that. I think that's a good trick with getting a good pancake. Look at that, guys. Oh, all right. So here are the pancakes, looking so amazing and delicious, and I promise you'll love it. So guys, thank you so much for watching, and if you like the video, please share and please make your own so that you can taste all this deliciousness. Thank you so much, and I'll see you next time. Bye.